Hello. Since double declining balance depreciation seems to be the thing that most students have trouble with, I'm going to walk you through this example of calculating straight line depreciation and then double declining balance on the same asset. Okay, here we have a new computerized drill press for $75,000. Has a 5-year life and a $15,000 salvage value. Okay, salvage value is important. When we calculate depreciation based on straight line, we take the original cost of the item and we deduct the salvage value before we calculate the depreciation for each year. So as you see below here under A1, straight line cost $75,000, salvage value $15,000. Cost to be depreciated is $60,000. 5-year life means we take $12,000 depreciation expense each year for 5 years. Okay, straight lines, pretty easy. Okay, double declining balance. Okay, I'm going to scroll up a little bit here. All right, same asset. Okay, double declining balance. When we do double declining balance, we do not deduct the salvage value. Okay, because we are declining in the balance each year, we never get to zero with double declining balance. So we just depreciate until we get down to the salvage value. Double declining balance, we take the original cost, okay, minus the accumulated depreciation to date. Okay, accumulated depreciation at the beginning is 0. Okay, so year 1, $75,000 minus 0 because we haven't taken any depreciation yet. And then we take the depreciation that we would have for straight line. Okay, over 5 years, that's 20% per year, and then double that times 2. Okay, so you can do this whatever way makes sense to you. Do 2 times 20%, divide by 5, get the amount times 2, however it makes sense to you. 75,000 minus 0 times 2 times 0.20 or times 40%. Is $30,000 depreciation in the first year. Now, the second year, this is where the declining balance part comes in. Beginning balance, again, is still $75,000 is the original cost, minus the accumulated depreciation. Accumulated depreciation is all of the depreciation we have taken to date on this asset. So in year 2, the accumulated depreciation is $30,000. So $75,000 minus $30,000 is $45,000. Multiply that again by the 40%, and we get depreciation in the second year of $18,000. Year 3, $75,000 original cost minus the accumulated depreciation, which is the depreciation we took in year 1 and year 2. 30,000 plus 18,000 is 48,000. 75,000 minus 48,000 times 40% is 10,800. Okay, so then we get to the next year and so on. Here, we take more depreciation in the early years and less depreciation in the later years. Some companies like to do this because they think their assets lose value faster in those early years. Okay, so that's the difference between straight line and double declining balance.